If you've been looking for a stunning new modern home in the heart of the Midway Hollow area of Dallas, this is the one you need to see. Homes with this quality and modern construction rarely come available in this part of Dallas, especially the prime Midway Hollow location. Set on a quiet, tree-lined street in the heart of Midway Hollow, this sophisticated residence offers more than 5,100 square feet of refined living space with timeless design, thoughtful craftsmanship, and a comfortable flow throughout. Hi, I'm Lisa Broussard with the Richey team. Welcome to 9939 Ontario Lane in Dallas, Texas. Come on, I'll show you inside. Wide plank, white oak flooring, museum finished walls, designer lighting, and expansive open concept living spaces create a clean, elevated aesthetic from the moment you walk in. One of my favorite things about this home is how timeless everything feels. Built by NRS Homes, the natural finishes, clean lines, and overall design create an elevated look that still feels warm and inviting. The private study is tucked behind French doors and includes a full bath along with an oversized closet space, ideal for storage, office equipment, or printer setups. At the center of the home is a stunning chef's kitchen featuring quartzite countertops, a premium monogram appliance suite, custom cabinetry, a full height backsplash, and an oversized island designed for gathering and entertaining. Dual beverage bars, expansive sliding glass doors, and seamless transitions to the outdoor living spaces make this home feel equally suited for everyday living and entertaining. The covered outdoor living area features retractable screens, a built-in grill, vent hood, and generous lounge space designed for year-round enjoyment. The primary suite serves as a private retreat with a spa-inspired bath featuring Italian tile, frameless glass, and an oversized walk-in shower with multiple spray features. The oversized garage also offers flexibility for multiple vehicles and future lift capability. Upstairs, you'll find 3 additional bedrooms, multiple bathrooms, a spacious game room, and a dedicated media room. Thank you for taking this home tour with me. If you'd like to see this home in person, I'd love to show it to you. I'm Lisa Broussard with the Richey team. See you on the next home tour.